Good morning from Eastern Tennessee. Back on the hay net. Has this is the one big hole. There are a couple of smaller holes, but there's some zip ties. Don't like plastic around the horses, so I took that off. And we'll come back in with what I have the most of, which is baling twine. Lots of string, tie it off on both ends. Cut this off. It's already tied down there. Just twist this around. Doesn't open up. Still gives the strength of a double strand. Get to the middle. Tighten a square knot. Nope. Square knot. Trim it off. Just that easy. Now I have some helpers. No, back up. No. 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 Back up, girl. No. Hey, get a whooper on you. We'll just set that right there. Keep y'all away. Center this back over here a little bit. And I got some of it done. We'll come back and show you. A little bit more. Like I said, just tie it off on each side behind one of these knots. It's kind of out there. We'll go back here. This one. And this hole is actually big enough where you can get their whole nose in. That's kind of the purpose of the net, is to keep them from burrowing the nose in, maybe poking themselves in the eye or something. Don't want any of that, so we'll close this one up. It's on the side, about halfway down, so hopefully it won't be too much of a problem. And that's I did buy this second hand, so brand new. These are $350, $450. double them, so I twist them as I go back. Keep them kind of clustered together, not all flailing all over the place. Maybe to help hold these in a square so they don't get pulled out of shape. No, girl. This is Penelope. It's the number 2 mare, not the alpha mare, but very curious, very friendly until she kicks you. I mean, she's not friendly anymore. Are you, girl? No, you're not. That's the scary thing about her. She's nice and calm until she's not. Yeah, I'm talking about you. And have a trash bag. So you can put all your cut-offs in there. Yeah, I'll probably put a couple more on there just to close it up a little bit more. But it's still a very viable net and it'll work for us, and then I get to see if it works and if the square is the right size. This is about an inch by an inch, maybe an inch and a quarter by an inch and a quarter. Maybe that's too small, maybe that's not small enough, depends on how they do. She's chewing on it already. Aren't you, girl? Hopefully when there's hay in there, they're not doing that. But we'll see how this goes, getting closer. Have a good day.